Thank you for calling Cafe Amante Restaurant. This is Loras Ordoño. How may I help you?
Would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly. Whom am I speaking to?
Mr. Manlangit.
May I spell out your name, Mr. Manlangit? Did I get your name correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
May I know your contact details, sir?
09659-111178.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Manlangit, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, sir?
Today, please.
For how many people, sir?
For 2 people only, sir.
What time do you want your reservation, sir?
6 p.m., sir.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation, sir?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 29, 2024, for 2 persons only in the non-smoking area, under your name, Mr. Manlangit, with the contact number of 09659-111178. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything you would like to request, sir?
None, sir.
Mr. Manlangit, thank you for patronizing Cafe Amante Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcoming you.
Thank you, sir.